Hello friends, welcome you all in Sarma English classes. My dear friends, today I would like to discuss on manners and etiquettes. People will not really notice you unless you call their attention to you. But if you make your call for attention point blank, you are looked upon as rude. Request attention politely. Be tactful. Assume that you are in a lecture hall and you want to interrupt the speaker to listen to a question you have. How will you do it? What will you say? Excuse me, just a moment, please. Isn't it? Well, let's see some attention catchers, as these expressions are called. Good manners will open the doors that the best education can't. My dear friends, excuse me, very common it is, common expression which is used. Whenever you want, he or she should listen to you, and he or she is busy in his or her own work, so you are going to say excuse me. Suppose you are going to somewhere else and some persons are on the way, you want they should give you way, so you are going to speak excuse me, so they will give you way. My dear friend, excuse me can be used wherever you find that I should use it, they should listen my talk, they should listen whatever I am gonna say something. Oh, I am going to take permission from him or her. In that case, excuse me, he or she will listen, then I will tell him or her whatever I want to say. Next thing, just a moment. Whenever you are going to speak, just a moment, it means you are going to take time from someone. Just a moment, please. Can you give me your precious moment? Can you give me your important time? Like this type of thing can be used by you, just a moment. Or you want to say someone, just a moment, please, because you are busy in your work, so that you can use this. Spare a minute if you're saying someone, kindly give me your precious time. Can you spare some moment for me? Can you spare a minute for me? Can you please spare 5 minutes for me? Like this, you can speak. Or you can say, spare a minute for me. Attention, please. This type of expression can be used, or basically, it is used when you go at railway station, bus stop. Their announcement takes place and they people speak attention please, because they want you should listen whatever announcement is going on. So they say something, attention please. If I am going to say you something, you are interacting, you are busy in your own work, I want your attention should be here, so I'm going to use over there attention please. It means you are going to say something, so that you are going to make them aware in that manner, that attention please. Okay, I would like to say you something, I have this thing, I want to give you information, anything can be said in that manner. Do you mind if you are going to say someone or ask someone, do you mind if I switch off the fan? Do you mind if I go out? Do you mind if I smoke here? So people, whomever you are asking this thing, if he or she does not have any problem, he or she will say to you, I don't mind. Whenever you, I mean the person has a problem, he or she will say, I mind. By the way, this is also expression, generally it is used. By the way, we have met somewhere else. By the way, you are from that area. By the way, can I take your time? By the way, can I use your pen? By the way, it means this is a common expression, it can be used. Mind giving me. Sometimes you say, mind giving me your pen, mind giving me your mobile, mind giving me any type of thing, whichever you want, then you can demand by using this expression. Could I have, again we have, could I have your time? Could I have your pencil? Could I have your laptop for a day, for 2 days, for a week? Like this you can use, could I have. Can I talk? Generally it happens whenever anyone wants to talk to you, then asking, can I talk to you if you don't mind? Can I talk, can I share something? Can I disturb you? Can I put my views in front of you? Like this. So you are saying, can I talk to you, or can I talk with him or her? In that manner you are saying like this. But can and may both are different. My dear friends, earlier we used to say, may I talk to you, may I go, may I do, may I, still also we are using this, but may is equal to God. May is a British word. In British, not British, in British language, may is given priority. It means people they use may, but in American language, people they use can, because in American language there is no formality, so people they use can. They say, "Can I help you? Can I do this work for you?" Like they speak like this. But in British language, may I help you? May I talk to you? May I come in, sir? Like you can use this type of expressions. May I have your attention, please? As I said to you, may I have, or say something, whatever you want to say something. You are requested to do this work. You are requested to reach at this time. You are requested to do this work. Whatever work you are going to assign him or her, in that manner you can say, you are requested to give me some moment to defend myself. Anything can be spoken, whatever thing you have in your mind. You are requested to stay at your home. You are requested to do your work honestly. You are requested to do your work in terms of subscribing my channel, like you can say anything else. A word with you, it means you want to chat with someone. If you want to have chat with someone, you are speaking a word with you, please. Can I have a word with you? Word with you means a type of conversation, a type of chat I would like to have with you. In that manner you can say. Or would you mind, we simply use this also, would you mind sparing a few minutes for me? Would you mind if I could say a few words? Would you mind my saving a few words on this subject? Anything can be said. Or generally we speak would, do you mind, could. So, my dear friends, lot of expressions I gave you. Kindly use in your routine communication, and you can make your communication beautiful by using these expressions. Because when you are using manners, your communication will be beyond comparison. So please use from today, and I would like to again request, this is also my humble request, kindly like, share and subscribe this channel. Thank you.